today I'm doing a little bit of fishing on the bridge, you know, because I get a day off today from work, so I just can do a little bit of fishing. But I'm on the Causeway Bridge right now, because this is the nearest place to me. I can't bother to go too far, you know. This is Matalan Jetty over there, so some guys over there fishing, but I don't want that kind of small fish. So I'm fishing for a big snook. I still have the red rod, the fiberglass rod on the test. So right now I'm looking some live bait, right? I'm going to use some pilchards for the time being, because I don't think I can get any shrimp right now, ready right now. They're kind of small, but they will still work, you know. See if I can catch a few. Oh, this is a big size one. See one here? Yeah, that's a big size one. This one get hooked bad, man. Oh, oops, I'm dropping in the water. I'm using a sabiki. Everybody should know sabiki rig already. Some little hooks with some little whiting on it, like they call it fish skin. That's what they call it. I don't know if it's true. Dry fish skin. Ah, so one is on it again. Alright, this is another big size one. I use this one for bait. Alright guys, two more. That's what I want. Pilchards. Or toffee. I call them toffee too, you know. Maybe because I'm so strong, I call them toffee. Pilchards is the right name. Or they call them scale sardine. The proper name, but well, not the proper name, because people, every country name them fish different. But it's them say in America it named scaled sardine. So I don't know how true that is. Scaled sardine. One more is on it, one more is on it. This is the last one, and I better don't drop off. Last pilchards, guys. So I'm going to go up now and set out the lines on top of the bridge. Alright, so yeah, so that's it. I'm not going to waste time catching a whole lot and then they don't have any oxygen and then they die, you know. So that's about it for now, if anything. Alright, so let's do it. Take out this rod. First rod I'm going to set is the big master, the jumbo master. You know, I saw this rod name, the jumbo master. Even though a snook mashed me up on it the other day, but it's not a better chance to catch a big one. Take out the jumbo master, man. The jumbo master. I see what I call A. I'm going to give this rod a name, you know. I'll give the other rod a name, you know. I'll give the red rod, I'll give it a name, you know. I call it the swanger rod. Because every time I come out here I catch a sword spine, you know, but them call it swanger. So I just give them swanger. You know. So see a hook on the live bait now, guys. See there? And here we go now. Rod to the test. No, not this rod. No, not this one. This not not putting this one to the test. Because I know this rod bad already. I'm an old time bad rod this. When we catch 130 pound top and pan it. Yeah. Now I'm taking out the swanger rod. Swanger rod this, you know. But this is the rod in question. So I'm going to set him up. Set up this rod now, right? The rod in question. Swanger rod. Yeah. Line up the guides. Lock up the top section in it. Yeah, so right, here we go now. This one I'm going to put down right here. This one look like him dead, you know. Sword spine rod, man. Sword spine snook. Remember I tell you, I was going to give this rod a name, the sword spine rod. See there? Sword spine snook. Right? It's a fish on. Stronger belly. Keep the mouth closed. Yeah. Fish on. Big snook. Big snook. A jack, you know, or a snook. No. That was a big fight.